Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday. It is January 25th. It is a rainy day today. I stopped at two gas stations trying to get Rain-X. So, um, it is a day that we just need to enjoy. I have life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass, it's about learning to dance in the rain. So, that quote right there means that we have hard times in life, and no matter what, we need to think that it's okay because it makes us enjoy the good times in life. So even though there's hard times, it's saying the storm is being like the hard time in life. It's learning to dance in the rain. So enjoying every moment of life, no matter what. Good morning. Have a fabulous rainy day. We have our Valentine's Day countdown. The to-do video lesson I will be posting once this video is uploaded on YouTube. We will have reading, vocabulary, and complete the words chart. Do at least 3 for today. We will do a vocabulary quiz on Thursday. Read chapter 5 and complete the comprehension questions. So let's look at our math. So here's your word study, then your word definitions that you'll fill out. You'll have chapter 5 to read. And then that next box is the comprehension questions. So I wanted to show you this. I was trying to explain this last week, but I didn't have it assigned to you. So this book right here, the first box should be on your reading level. So it may look a little bit different. Yours may look a little bit different than mine. But this next box here, reading comprehend activity 2, this is a group reading. So you'll see this one's a little bit shorter with the sentences. I want you to read both of them, okay? Everybody's on a different reading level, so you read both of them. They're both about the same thing. They're just written differently to help you understand it better. So that's why there's 2 reading boxes. This is your reading comprehend questions. And then for math, we have identifying transformations and dilations. We are going to review our vocabulary for this. So you will see on N2Y that you have these vocabulary. A translation is a slide. So it's just taking one shape and moving it. It doesn't change, it doesn't move, it just slides over. Reflection. You think of reflection as, I kind of think of reflection as a mirror. So a reflection here on N2Y says it's a flip. So you have the one shape and you literally just flip it over. So you'll see that flip of a book is what they're trying to compare it to. Then you have a rotation, which is a turn. The point turns around the point on the coordinate grid. And then the new one today is the dilation, which changes shape. The shape changes size from smaller to bigger or bigger to smaller. This again is on your Google Slides. This will be your math vocabulary. It looks like this. Okay. Okay, so I know this part is review for you guys, so we just went over that vocabulary. Okay, so I will do this one with you. So if you see this here, and then so this shape is going from here to here, here to here. So what would this be? Here to here. And this point here stayed at the exact same spot, like the mailbox. That would be a rotation. You see how this point right here stays the same? It just rotates around, but it just rotates on its spot. So we will put this one as a Turn. Okay, you complete the rest of those. I will do one of the dilation boxes with you. Okay, remember dilation is it gets bigger or smaller or bigger. So for this first one here, we have Rashad uses Keisha's trapezoid. Rashad makes a copy of it. So most times when we make a copy of something, it's not like on a copy machine, yes, it's going to be the same no matter what. But if we make a copy of like another student's, it's going to look different. Like your handwriting is different. You may draw different, and you may have a different size than them. So we're going to figure out whether Rashad's trapezoid is bigger or smaller than Keisha's trapezoid. So Rashad's trapezoid is, here's Rashad, is his bigger or smaller? It looks a lot bigger. So I'm gonna put bigger. Now it says write the length of the purple side of Keisha's trapezoid on the chart. Okay, so we need to get our marker. I'm going to use blue so it kind of stands out. And we are counting the side 1, 2, 3. So her purple side is 3. Rashad's is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For this, I want to tell you right now, you will not start at 0. So do not start here at 0. You have to start where the point is on the coordinate grid and count all the way across the side. So it always starts at 1, okay? Okay, so I'm going to put my marker back. Okay, so it says if Rashad's trapezoid is smaller, we will divide. If Rashad's trapezoid is bigger, we will multiply. This is because when you multiply, your number is going to get bigger. And when you divide, your answer is going to be smaller. So we know that his is bigger, so we need to multiply. So we are for sure going to be multiplying. Okay, so we know that Keisha's trapezoid is 3. That purple side is 3. Rashad's is 9. Rashad's is 9. We divided by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So Rashad's trapezoid is 3 times bigger. Okay? So you will complete that. Oh, I guess there's just one of them. There's just one on mine. So the next one, we will review our recipe. We made sweet potato fries last week. They were really good, I guess. I still can't taste anything. So the kids did love them, and everybody walking down the hall was like, it smells so good. So I'm sure they were good. And I was very happy that everybody enjoyed it because it is a healthy choice rather than potatoes. So instead, have your sweet potato fries, put some seasoning on it, and anything with extra seasoning I think is good. That's me though. I like all that kind of stuff, spices and hot sauce, and I'm not a plain eater. So our recipe was sweet potato fries. This is going to be reviewed by you, so you put your name. What was in it? Well, I know there was paprika, sweet potatoes, obviously, cinnamon, olive oil. All this stuff was in the recipe. All that stuff was. How did it taste? Well, they said it was yummy, and I do like sweet potato fries, so I'm gonna pick yummy. How was it to make? I thought it was pretty easy. And was it healthy? Yes. All right. I am going to kind of keep an eye out throughout the week to see if there's money skills, but everybody should be doing money skills when I assign it. So on CK12, you have finding the coin value. There's a video to help you, and then the adaptive practice. So go ahead and complete that, and I will see whether you have, it'll come up in my reports whether you have completed this or not. So adding the money and adding the coins. And then we have our science people. You will be learning about dwarf planets today on CK12. So let me go to our classes here. Yeah, it's thundering right now. Okay, you will have our dwarf planets for January 25th. You have a bunch of stuff to be doing. So this really should take about 45 minutes to an hour, you guys. Do a little reading, do a little video, take a little break, come back, take a little break, read. So don't just rush through this, you guys. This is really good content, and I like it. I like learning about the planets. I don't, it's part of what you got to learn. So if you are in Earth Space Science, you will be doing dwarf planets for today. I think that's going to be it for today. Keep an eye out for your life skills lessons. We will be cutting out, today we will be going over more of our vocabulary of healthy eating, vitamins, food, getting exercise, as well as how they build their strong muscles. I hope everybody has a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Enjoy the rain.